Good evening, Jijil.
Amrita.
So let's take an interesting GMAT question here.
Okay.
So this question is about a moving walkway which is 300 feet long. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And this walkway moves at 3 feet per second. Okay. So the
Mm-hmm.
total distance is 300 feet of this walkway and it moves actually. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it moves at the speed of 3 feet per second.
Mm-hmm.
So Bill steps on this walkway and there are already a group of people stand 120 feet in front of him. So if this is a walkway we are talking about, okay, let's say this entire thing is 300 feet. So at 120 feet there is a group of people standing and Bill wants to be with them. Okay, so what happens, Bill starts from here of course, and then the combined rate at which he moves is 6 feet per second. Okay, combined rate is the his foot speed and walkway speed together, so that is 6
Mm-hmm.
feet per second. All right, and once he reaches the group, okay, then he remains with the group, and the group and Bill together they move at the speed of walkway. So you
Okay.
have to find Bill's average rate of movement for this trip.
Okay.
So before we start, we know that this group is at 120 feet in front of Bill. Okay, so the distance between Bill and the group is 120 feet
That's
divided
right.
by, right. Now relative speed. So Bill moves at a speed of 6 feet per second in order to reach the group, and this group is stationary there. So it is just moving at the speed of the walkway, which is 3 feet per second. Yeah, per second. Okay, and Bill's is 6 feet. So when two objects move in the same direction, we take the difference. The relative speed is going to be the difference between their speed, right? So
So
here
practically traveling at three
6,
per.
yeah. So this group is moving at the walkway speed, which is 3 feet per second, and Bill's speed is 6 feet per second. So relative speed is going to be 6 minus 3 feet per second,
Okay.
right? So if you divide this distance between the group and Bill, so this is relative speed 3,
Okay.
relative is 3 feet per second. Okay, so if you divide it by the relative speed, it will take Bill to reach 40 seconds, right, to the group. So in 40 seconds Bill will be with the group. Now since both Bill and group is also moving, so we have to know how much distance is covered by Bill in those 40 seconds, right? So distance covered in 40 seconds will be
40 into 6.
exactly, so 6 into 40, so that will be 240 feet, right? So this much distance will be covered in 40 seconds by Bill to be with the group. Okay, now since you have to find Bill's average rate of movement for this trip, so average speed is going to be,
Total distance by total time.
right, total distance divided by total time taken, right? Total distance divided by total time. So the total distance is 300.
So
Yeah,
300.
divide by total time. So we know that this 240 feet is covered by Bill in 40 seconds, but
Right.
there is some more distances remaining. That
Six,
distance he covers along with the group at the speed of walkway,
3.
which is 3. Okay, so the remaining distance will be 60. 300 minus 240,
Divided by
so
3.
divided by 3, so 20 seconds. So the remaining distance is traveled in 20 seconds. So 40 plus 20, so 300 by 60 will give you 5 feet per second. So what is the average distance, sorry, average speed of the Bill?
5 feet per second.
Right, it is 5 feet per second, and that's your answer. Okay.
Okay. Can I ask you sort of a tip here?
Okay.
See, because he is walking faster than the conveyor belt, can I eliminate 2, 2.5 and 3? Is that a correct way of?
Exactly. Yes. See, since he's walking at 6 feet, and then 3 feet for some time, definitely his average speed is going to be more than
3.
More than 3, definitely, because he's constantly traveling either at the speed of 3 or more than 3. So
Right.
this will, you can get rid of 2, you can get rid of 2.5, you can even get rid of 3 feet, because we know it is going to be between 3 and 6. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So yes. So thanks a lot, Jijil. I hope it helped.
Yes, it does. Thanks.